Hi guys! In this video, I will show you how to download any picture from Instagram using your laptop or your PC. Just keep on watching this video and let's get started. So first, go to your browser, then type instagram.com, then log in your account, let's select an image. So for example, I will download this one. Click this username. Then let's select the picture. Then right here, click right click. Then click inspect. So make sure your toggle device toolbar is blue. Make sure it's turned on. Then choose your phone. For example, iPhone X. I will use iPhone X here. Then right here, look for div class, padding bottom. So click this arrow to see this content. Look for SRC. So this is SRC set. So we are looking for just SRC. So this is SRC. Then double click this one, Control C or copy, then go to new tab, then paste it, then click enter. So right here, this is the image. Click right click, then click save image as. Then save the image in your desktop or in your computer. So I will just save it here. Then I will show you another way to download Instagram picture. Let's close this one. Go to home. Then here, let's look for another picture to download. For example, this one. Then I will just click this username. Then again, I will look for the image. Click this one. So I will just copy this link. Control C. Then go to new tab again. Then type dinsta.com. Then tap enter. So right here, just paste the URL or the link. Then click go. So this is the photo that I want to download. Just click download. Then save as. Then just click save. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day!